Closed feed water boiler system. Boilers are one of the essential equipments on board ships. Its purpose is to provide heating to the main diesel propulsion engine to the bunker fuel oil tanks to make it less viscous for transport purposes as well as easy ignition. Boiler feed system is composed of four major parts: the feed water tank, pumps, condenser, and the boiler itself. The feed water tank stores the water that would be used in the system, while the drain tank collects the many drains in the system such as gland steam and air ejector steam. Through the use of drain pump, the water would be now transferred to the radiator to remove oxygen and other dissolved gases from liquids. Now the feed pump will pump the water to the high pressure heater for the preheating enable for the water to be easily boiled when it comes to the boilers, so that we can save energy and fuel. After passing through the high pressure heater, the water will be directly distributed to the boiler. The boiler will now add heat to the water until it transforms into steam. Due to the rise in temperature, the steam now also increases its pressure. After the boiler, the high pressure steam will now go to the service where it will be used for many purposes like fuel oil heating, and it may be used in steam engines. After it goes to the service, it will now go to the condenser, a heat exchanger that condenses the gaseous substance into a liquid state through cooling. After the condenser, the steam now becomes in a liquid state, and through the use of pump, it will now go to the air ejector to filter the steam that came along with the water in the condenser. The third steam will be returned to the condenser, and the water will proceed to the gland steam condenser to maintain a subatmospheric pressure, and then the water will now proceed to a drains cooler, a mixing chamber that blends cold water and the condensate of steam that results in drain water cooled to a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius. After mixing waters with different temperature, the water will have to pass through a low pressure heater to increase its temperature before it goes back to the drain tank.